strongly bearish and heavily shorted BYND is moving a lot of shares today, the 6th of November 2025, down 1.18%. It is a volatile session for the stock. On its 4-hour chart, the line trend is bearish. So the extrapolation of its 3 and 40 period moving averages are showing that the stock might expand from today, from midday today New York time, and may hold expansion up till Tuesday, the 11th pre-market session. And during that time, it's extrapolating that it may be trading between the space you are looking at here, which will be roughly between 1.71, 1.70, and $2.48. There's no guarantee that this will be the case, so just be very much aware. This is just an extrapolation. It's not guaranteed to happen at all. It's not guaranteed to happen. There's a tussle right now going on between buyers and sellers. Before now, we never observed any movement in any 2% change in either direction, but for some reason it has just printed. Let's find out more about what's going on with the stock. It's so active right now.
Beyond Meat, BYND, trading action heavy volume tight range. Beyond Meat is attracting major attention in today's session, currently ranking as one of the most actively traded stocks, second only to ASST. The stock is seeing tens of millions of shares exchanged, signaling intense participation from both retail and institutional traders. Despite the immense turnover, Beyond Meat's price movement has remained relatively muted, fluctuating within a narrow 2% range on either side. This combination of high volume and limited price drift suggests a significant battle between buyers and sellers as the market works to discover fair value. Liquidity is exceptionally deep, enabling aggressive traders to capitalize on short-term fluctuations and scalping opportunities, while more passive participants, including institutions, are using the environment to accumulate or distribute positions without causing major price dislocations. Notably, large order blocks in the tens of thousands of shares have been observed crossing the tape throughout the session, indicating the presence of high-frequency algorithms and block traders managing substantial exposure. Such activity often precedes larger directional moves as liquidity providers and large funds reposition ahead of potential catalysts. Traders are closely watching whether the current equilibrium breaks to the upside, potentially triggering a short or gamma squeeze, giving Beyond Meat's high short interest, or if selling pressure resumes as momentum fades. Either way, the ongoing surge in participation underscores that Beyond Meat has become a focal point for speculative trading with liquidity-rich volatility that appeals to both day traders and hedge funds alike. Summary highlights. BYND among top market movers, second to ASST by trading volume. Tens of millions of shares traded, but price remains within a tight 2% range. Large block trades observed, evidence of institutional and algorithmic activity. Strong liquidity offers opportunities for both short-term and long-term traders. Potential setup building if volume translates into a directional breakout.
Okay, yeah, this is what's going on right now. Surely, market makers are also buying. They are surely buying. I wouldn't say they are, a gamma squeezes, but they are surely buying. Have a look at the options grid and see what we have here. This is the November 7th contract, November 7 contracts. Yeah, these will expire tomorrow. You can see the volume so far. Volumes, open interest. You can see all the way up to 0.76, oh sorry, up 0.550 cents. Yeah, I can see it doesn't look like a lot, but with what's going on, they are surely doing a lot of. They are Some of them have bought, some of them have dipped, some of them have been forced to buy some shares. Surely, we can't have this amount. You saw that grid here. You saw how this. You can see that. Surely they are involved. Market makers are participating equally. They are surely participating without any doubt about that. But it's not enough to cause any short squeeze. Yeah. But it isn't it is it's interesting to observe, to see what's going on, to see what's going on. High beta stock, yeah, it's really fascinating to see what's going on both sides. You can see contracts are relatively uh relatively large, but it could be more, it could be more, but you know the fact that they are not in the hundreds of thousands, this opening interest, the fact that they are not in the hundreds of thousands does not mean that market makers are not participating. They are surely participating somehow, because it's these volumes are, you know they can be, they can be a cause of concern. Yeah, yeah, they must be doing some things. They must be watching. If they're not buying, they're surely watching. If they're not buying, they're surely watching. So yeah, the short interest, I think, still remains elevated. Can we just have a look and see BYND? Yeah, short interest. Yeah, let's see. I prefer FinVs, Fintel. Yeah, let's have a look at FinVs. Yeah, FinVs. Let's see what we have in terms of short interest. Yeah, it says here, okay, 13.7 has dropped before. It was massive before. Yeah, okay, yeah. So it's even at this is even at that, this is still a lot. Even at 13.7, it is still a lot. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on right now, and see what you make of BYND, and thank you very much for watching this video.